Grab your scales because today I am making pound cake. Yes, that's right, the famous cake with 1 pound of each ingredient. As the name suggests, a pound of butter. Beat it up until light and fluffy. Around a pound of sugar and cream that all together. Egg number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Vanilla extract and a little almond. Next up, flour and milk. You want to do it incrementally, so about 1/3 of each, and then mix, and then keep adding in thirds until you've used it all up. Divide into 2 greased loaf pans or 1 tube pan. Bake at 300 for 45 minutes to an hour until fully cooked. Once it cools, you have a beautiful loaf of pound cake. Cut into it and ooh.